Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to tell you how to become a digital marketer. If that sounds interesting, then stay with us till the end of the video. Let's start. First, get educated. Digital marketing is a field where you need to keep learning new things to keep up with the changes in the industry. So if you want to become a digital marketer, you should start by getting educated. You can do this by taking online courses, reading books, attending webinars, listening to podcasts, and so on. If you want to take online courses, there are many platforms where you can do that. Some of the most popular ones are Coursera, Udemy, Skillshare, Google Digital Garage, and HubSpot Academy. The best part about taking online courses is that they are usually very affordable, and you can find courses on every topic under the sun. If you don't want to take online courses, you can also read books on digital marketing. There are many great books out there that can teach you everything you need to know. Some of the best ones are Digital Marketing for Dummies by Ryan Deese and Russ Henneberry, The Art of SEO by Eric Enge, Stephen Spencer and Jesse Stricchiola, and Jab, 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 Right Hook by Gary V. Once you have educated yourself on the subject, the next step is to get some experience. The best way to do this is to get a job in a digital marketing agency or in the marketing department of a company. If you are just starting out, you may not be able to get a job right away, but if you keep trying, you will eventually find something. If you are having trouble finding a job, you can also try to get some experience by doing an internship. An internship will give you the opportunity to work in a real-world setting and learn from experienced professionals. Plus, it looks great on a resume and can help you land your first full-time job. While you're gaining experience, you should also start building your portfolio. Your portfolio is essentially a collection of your best work that shows potential employers what you're capable of. It doesn't have to be anything fancy, but it should be professional and easy to navigate. You can create a website and use that as your portfolio, or you can use a platform like Behance or even LinkedIn. Another thing you can do to help you land a job is to network with other people in the industry. Networking is a great way to meet new people, learn about new opportunities, and get your name out there. You can network with people by attending industry events, joining relevant groups on social media, and reaching out to people you admire. Now let's talk about the skills you need to become a digital marketer. The first skill you need is the ability to write. Writing is a critical skill for any digital marketer. You need to be able to write clear, concise, and engaging copy for websites, emails, and other marketing materials. If you can't write well, people are just going to tune you out. The next skill you need is the ability to understand data. Data is everything in digital marketing. You need to be able to interpret data and make decisions based on it. This means understanding metrics such as website traffic, conversion rates, and ROI. If you can't understand data, you're not going to be able to make informed decisions that will help your business grow. The next skill you need is the ability to think creatively. In order to create successful marketing campaigns, you need to be able to think outside the box and come up with innovative ideas. This means understanding your target audience and what makes them tick. You also need to be able to develop campaigns that are both creative and effective. If you are wondering how much money you can make as a digital marketer, then we have good news for you. The salary of a digital marketer depends on many factors such as education, certifications, additional skills, and the industry they work in. According to Glassdoor, the average digital marketer salary in the United States is $139,000 per year. We hope this video was helpful and informative. If you enjoyed it, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends. We would appreciate that. Also, if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. We love getting to answer as many questions as possible. Thanks for watching. Until next time, take care.